We're here at Dixon Farms. Robbie Dixon, one load of Holsteins. These Holsteins are on pasture grass, getting 5 to 10 pounds of silage, a pound or two of grain each day. They're all bought here as 3 weights. Been raised here. There'll be just a few on with a tip of horns right here. But a very, very nice set of Holsteins coming from Dixon Farms. There are about 3 red Holsteins on the deal. Holsteins will not be fleshy. It's another good set of Holsteins from Dixon Farms. Cats has all their shots, same shots as always. Will be 3 reds. Also, there's a black Holstein right here you're looking at. He will be on the load along with the 3 reds.